So today I'll be sharing my makeup routine to get this look. So this is how I look without any makeup on my face. The first step before applying any kind of product on your face is to prep your skin. Apply moisturizer, sunscreen, or whatever your usual daily skincare routine is. You can follow that. So the next step would be applying the foundation. I usually don't use a primer. I use gel-based moisturizer. So I think that's enough. Apply a foundation on your face, okay? Doesn't matter what kind of foundation you're using, because we all have different type of skin. So go with whatever you have. It's not a perfect makeup routine. I won't say that this is the OG way. It works for me. So after applying the foundation, either use a beauty blender. I'm not a fan of beauty blender, It's I just don't like it. One use and then I'll throw it out. This brush, it works perfect. So let's blend this foundation. This is how I usually do. So as you can see, we are done with the foundation part. After applying the foundation, my next step is to do my eyebrows. And as you can see, my eyebrows are not in shape because I've been trying to grow them out because I want to change the natural shape of my eyebrows. On your eyeshadow palette, go for the black or brown, whatever you think is the color of your eyebrow. Either go with brown or black. I usually prefer black. Dab off the excess and you don't have to draw, you just have to dab. Just a little bit here and there. And to even it out, I would like to go with this brush once more so that everything looks smooth and natural. So my next step is applying some concealer. It's a lighter shade. I ordered it online and I ended up with a very bright light shade, but I'll show you how to fix it. A little bit concealer there, a little bit over here, a very little amount. I have darkness around the lips, I'll go here. I usually go with a small brush to blend my concealer. As you can see, there's already a difference. So we are done with the concealer. So our next step is contour. You can use a contour stick or you could use a bronzer. I would suggest to go with a bronzer because it gives that bronzy, shimmery look along with that snatched effect. Apply the bronzer right here, where your hairline connects with your forehead. That's where you have to place your contour. Go with a small brush to contour your nose. Apply a very small amount of product and gradually build it up according to your need. Now let's move on to our eye makeup. First I would like to apply a little bit of concealer right here. Oops. Today I'm thinking of going with this and this shade. Once again, go with the black eyeshadow. Take a little bit of the same color we applied here, dab off the excess, and go underneath your waterline. Oops, take your favorite eyeliner. A very simple wing. I'll do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. I just applied some kajal in my waterline, but I forgot to switch on the camera. All you have to do is apply some a very small amount of kajal just to bring out the shape of your eyes. Make sure to apply it on your waterline. Now let's apply some mascara. So now we have to outline our lips to define the shape of our lips. have to blend this. Take a small brush and start blending. Apply a lipstick. My next step is to apply some blush to make my skin look flushed and like not dead. I use my lipstick as my blush. What I do is I apply a small amount of lipstick right here, as you can see. And then what I do is I just dab it in my hand and I just... Trust the process. I know I look like Ninja Hattori, but like it will work out. Voila! And the last step of my makeup routine is to apply some highlighter. I want that shimmery glow on my face. Take a small amount like this, dab it at the tip of my nose. Look, it already looks so much better. So this is my go-to look when I want to look pretty. I hope you all liked it. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, see ya!